Hello everyone, bringing up the next video for the Indian stock market for 22nd July 2025. Let's review our reading for 21st. We said that the market will have an opening on the higher side as compared to the closing of the 18, which would happen because the market opened at 24,999. There was a positive spike which we talked about through our reading, which came at 9:55 a.m. approximately. Range bound downward movement was there at the beginning of the stock market hours, but range bound was not there. Then for the afternoon, we did say that the market will be on the positive side, but on the downward way. So which was like there was a range bond also and a premium decay, because the market, if I'm not wrong, was just moving between few points. 30 to 35 points the market was moving, because the market 25,040 to 25,070 approximately it was moving to that. And the closing hours, we said that it will be on the positive side, which happened up, and we did say that there will be one spike which will be the highest for the whole day, and it was of 25,111. Let's see what the cards are saying to us for 22nd. Positive opening. Positive opening, and this opening will be almost very close to the closing of the 21st July. One positive spike will be there, premium decay will be there, range bound will be there. So in the morning hours, only one good spike will be there. So those who are wanted to have carry out their trade can take that opportunity. Let's see what is there for the afternoon. The market will have both the movements, the positive and the negative, but with the range bound, premium decay very clean and clearly seen. One very small spike will be seen in the afternoon, and moreover a very disappointing movement will be there. Let's see what is there for the closing hours. Slightly positive. The moment market will go to the upper side slightly, but not to that extent. One good spike can come up, but I don't know, I'm getting that this spike can be in the Sensex rather than in the Nifty. And yes, there will be a range bound over here also. I do not see that there will be any good movements. It will be a range bound movement in the Nifty. But the spike that I am able to see, my intuition is speaking about the Sensex rather than the Nifty. So this is my reading. I hope that my reading resonate. So kindly take what it resonate, rest leave it to the divine. Please, a disclaimer that I'm not a stock market broker, nor